Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and have geared up yourselves once again to enjoy learning through online classes. Today, we will read Lesson 4, The Royal Bengal Tiger, from our English reader. Before we start with the reading of this lesson, I want to discuss what the lesson is all about and what are the values we are going to learn from this lesson. Children, you know that we live on a beautiful place that is called Earth. Now, can you tell me what makes our Earth look so beautiful? Yes, it looks beautiful because it has a bright sun, magnificent snow clad mountains, big oceans and rivers, and the most important, thick forests, which give shelter to beautiful birds and different types of animals. Children, though we see variety of animals on our earth, but you will be surprised to know that there were many animals who lived on this earth many years ago, but now they don't exist anymore. Such animals are called extinct animals, like dinosaurs, woolly mammoth, dodo, and black African rhino. Some of these animals disappeared because they could not adapt themselves to the changes that took place in their environment, like dinosaurs. But for the end of other animals from this earth, we, the humans, are responsible. Woolly mammoth were killed for their tusks, and black rhinos of Africa were killed for their skin by humans for many years till they got vanished. Children, this is a very serious issue because even now there are many animals who are facing danger to their lives as they are being killed by humans for their greed. Such animals are elephants and tigers. Even in India, there are many animals who are being killed by humans and are facing the serious threat to their survival. The list is long, and the Royal Bengal tiger is at the top of this list. The lesson that we are going to read today also explains how the Royal Bengal tiger has become an endangered animal in India and what are the steps to be taken by us to stop this animal from getting disappeared from the earth. Children, tiger is chosen as the national animal of India due to its grace, strength, quick movement, and enormous power. But it is very disappointing that due to illegal smuggling of tiger skin and other body parts, there are very few tigers left in India. In India, out of the 8 known types of tigers, the Royal Bengal tiger is found throughout the country except in the northwestern region. Because of illegal killing and poaching, there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out from the Indian soil. Therefore, the Indian government launched the Project Tiger in the year 1973. Project Tiger focuses on preserving the remaining tiger population in the country, as well as increasing the population of tigers. Under this project, 23 reserves were established throughout the country. The efforts taken by Indian government are slowly showing results and the population of tigers will hopefully increase in the coming years. So, my dear students, this was the explanation of Lesson 4, the Royal Bengal Tiger, and I hope it will help you to understand this lesson easily. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.